Hello, what's up everyone? I'm back again with another video tutorial. So today's video tutorial is about how to see your like post on Instagram. So if you've liked any post on Instagram, how to check it. So let's go to our Instagram first. And once we are on our Instagram feed, now what we want to do is we want to see all the posts that we have liked so far on our Instagram, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to click on our profile icon, and after that go and click on these three dashes on the top right corner. Click on the three dashes, and after that what you need to do is this window will pop up. It might be different for you, but these are the options that you'll see. Now what you need to do is you need to click on your activity. Click on that, and then this window will load up basically. Now what you want to do is you want to click on interactions, right? It's the third option from the top. So what you need to do is you need to click on interactions, and after that you would see the options that you want. So basically we want to go and check all the like posts that we have. So we're going to click on likes, and it's going to load up all the posts that I've liked so far. So yeah, that's how you can check the like post. And other than that, you can also check the comments that you've posted recently on some of the posts or replies that you've got, right? And similarly the reviews, if you have any posted on your Instagram feed. So this is how you can check them, basically the interactions that you have done with your Instagram profile. So yeah, that's pretty much it from this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If it did, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.